Emilio Aguinaldo was born in March 22, 1869, died in February 6, 1964. Emilio Aguinaldo was a Filipino revolutionary politician and military leader who is officially recognized as the first and the youngest president of the Philippines in 1899 to 1901 and the first president of a constitutional republic in Asia. He led Philippine forces first against Spain in the latter part of the Philippine Revolution in 1896 to 1898, then in the Spanish-American War, and finally against the United States during the Philippine-American War. Manuel L. Quezon. Manuel L. Quezon was born in August 19, 1878, died in August 1, 1944. Manuel L. Quezon was a Filipino statesman, soldier, and politician who served as a president of the Commonwealth of the Philippines from 1935 to 1944. He was the first Filipino to head the government of the entire Philippines, as opposed to the government of previous Philippine states, and is considered to have been the second president of the Philippines after Emilio Aguinaldo. Quezon established the Institute of National Language, INL, to create a national language for the country. On December 13, 1937, President Quezon, through the Executive Order No. 134, officially declared Tagalog as the basis of the national language of the Philippines. Jose Paciano Laurel Garcia. Jose Paciano Laurel Garcia was born in March 9, 1891, and died in November 6, 1959. He was a Filipino politician and judge. He was the president of the Second Philippine Republic, a Japanese puppet state when occupied during World War II from 1943 to 1945. Since the administration of the President Diosdado Macapagal, Laurel has been officially recognized by later administration as a former president of the Philippines. President Laurel is the only Philippine president who served the three branches of government. He became a senator, congressman, associate justice, and a president of the Second Republic. Sergio Osmeña Sr. Sergio Osmeña Sr. was born in September 9, 1878, and died in October 19, 1961. He was a Filipino politician who served as the fourth president of the Philippines from 1944 to 1946. He was vice president under Manuel L. Quezon. Upon Quezon's sudden death in 1944, Osmeña succeeded him at age 65, becoming the oldest person to assume the Philippines presidency until Rodrigo Duterte took office in 2016 at age 71. A founder of the Nacionalista Party, Osmeña was also the first Visayan to become president. Manuel Acuña Rojas was born in January 1, 1892, died in April 15, 1948. He was the fifth president of the Philippines who served from 1946 until his death in 1948. He briefly served as the third and last president of the Commonwealth of the Philippines from May 28, 1946 to July 4, 1946, and then became the first president of the independent Third Philippines Republic after the United States ceded its sovereignty over the Philippines. Elpidio Quirino Rivera was born in November 16, 1890, died in February 29, 1956. He was a Filipino lawyer and politician who served as the sixth president of the Philippines from 1948 to 1953. In 1934, he became a member of the Philippine Independence Commission that was sent to Washington, D.C., which secured the passage of the Tidings-McDuffie Act to the American Congress. In 1935, he was also elected to the convention that drafted the 1935 Constitution for the newly established Commonwealth. Ramon del Fierro Magsaysay Sr. Ramon del Fierro Magsaysay Sr. was born in August 31, 1907, and died in March 17, 1957. He was a Filipino statesman who served as the seventh president of the Philippines from December 30, 1953 until his death in an aircraft disaster. An automobile mechanic by profession, Magsaysay was appointed military governor of Zambales after his outstanding service as a guerrilla leader during the Pacific War. He then served 2 terms as Liberal Party congressman for Zambales at-large district before being appointed Secretary of National Defense by President Elpidio Quirino. He was elected president under the banner of the Nacionalista Party. Carlos Polistico Garcia. Carlos Polistico Garcia was born in November 4, 1896. Died in June 14, 1971. He was a Filipino teacher, poet, orator, lawyer, public official, political economist, guerrilla, and Commonwealth military leader who was the 8th President of the Philippines. Garcia exercised the Filipino First policy, for which he was known. This policy heavily favored Filipino businessmen over foreign investors. He was also responsible for changes in retail trade which greatly affected the Chinese businessmen in the country. Diosdado Pangan Macapagal Sr. Diosdado Pangan Macapagal Sr. was born on September 28, 1910. Died April 21, 1997. He was the 9th President of the Philippines, serving from 1961 to 1965, and the 6th President, serving from 1957 to 1961. He also served as a member of the House of Representatives and headed the Constitutional Convention of 1970. He was the father of Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, who followed his path as President of the Philippines from 2001 to 2010. As President, Macapagal worked to suppress graft and corruption and to stimulate the Philippines economy. He introduced the country's first land reform law, placed the peso on the free currency exchange market, and liberalized foreign exchange and import controls. Ferdinand Marcos was born on September 11, 1917, died on September 28, 1898. He was a Filipino politician, lawyer, and kleptocrat who served as the 10th President of the Philippines from 1965 to 1986. Espousing an ideology of constitutional authoritarianism under the New Society movement, he ruled as a dictator under his martial law from 1972 until 1981 and kept most of his martial law powers until he was deposed in 1986. One of the most controversial leaders of the 20th century, Marcos' rule was infamous for its corruption, extravagance, and brutality. Maria Corazon Conjuanco Aquino. Maria Corazon Conjuanco Aquino was born in January 25, 1933, died in August 1, 2009. Popularly known as Cory Aquino, he was a Filipino politician who served as the 11th President of the Philippines, the first woman to hold the office. Corazon Aquino was the most prominent figure of the 1986 People Power Revolution, which ended the 20 years rule of President Ferdinand Marcos and led to the establishment of the current Democratic Philippines Republic. Fidel Valdez Ramos. Fidel Valdez Ramos was born on March 18, 1928. Popularly known as FBR and Eddie, is a retired Filipino general and politician who served as the 12th President of the Philippines from 1992 to 1998. He is the only career military officer who reached the rank of 5-star General, Admiral de Jure, who rose from the second lieutenant up to Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces. During his 6 years in office, Ramos was widely credited and admired by many for revitalizing and renewing international confidence in the Philippines economy. Joseph Ejercito Estrada. Joseph Ejercito Estrada was born in April 19, 1937, also known by the nickname Erap. He is a Filipino politician and former actor who served as the 13th President of the Philippines from 1998 to 2001, 9th Vice President of the Philippines from 1992 to 1998, and the 26th Mayor of the City of Manila. The country capital, from 2013 to 2019. In 2001, he became the first president in Asia to be impeached from an executive role and resigned from power. Maria Gloria Macaraeg Macapagal Arroyo. Maria Gloria Macapagal Arroyo was born in April 5, 1947, often referred to by her initial GMA. Is a Filipino academic and politician who served as the fourth president of the Philippines from 2001 until 2010. Before her accession to the presidency, she served as the 10th Vice President of the Philippines from 1998 to 2001 and was a senator from 1992 to 1998. After her presidency, she was elected as the representative of Pampanga's 2nd District in 2010 and later became the Speaker of the House of the Representatives from 2018 until her retirement in 2019. She is the first woman to hold two of the highest offices in the country, Vice President and Speaker of the House. Benigno Simeon Conjuangco Aquino. Benigno Simeon Conjuangco Aquino was born in February 8, 1960, also known as Pinoy or Noynoy. Is a Filipino politician who served as the 5th President of the Philippines from 2010 until 2016. Aquino is a fourth-generation politician and was the chairman of the Liberal Party from 2010 to 2016. Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Rodrigo Roa Duterte was born in March 28, 1945. He is also known as Digong and Rodi. He is a Filipino politician who is the current president of the Philippines and the first from Mindanao to hold the office. Duterte started a nationwide campaign to rid the country of crime and corruption and illegal drugs. The wars on drugs saw about 6,600 persons linked to the illegal drug trade killed as of July 2019. Duterte campaigned to restore the death penalty in the Philippines.